Harley going to make it? Are they doing enough? The 2025's out. I got to have it. Is it all I hoped for? Is it what I wanted? Let's talk about it, guys. This year for the 2025 lineup, the Softail Standard and the Street Bob pretty much became one. So we no longer have a Softail Standard and we are left with the Street Bob alone. And for this year, coming in with a 117 platform engine producing 98 horsepower. A digital analog gauge. We no longer have that little tic-tac up on the handlebar clamps. We actually have an analog gauge that we can see visually while we're scanning the road, and we have 2-into-1 exhaust instead of the 2-into-2. The exhausts have the catalyst in the header pipe. We have a chrome only package. You cannot have this in blackout trim. You can only have this in the chrome package. The caveat to that is we have polished aluminum heads. So I call it silverish, not chrome, but Harley calls it chrome. LED lights all the way around, and that is the 2025 Street Bob. The 2025 Lowrider S coming in at $20,499 with the 117 platform engine, high output version, pushing 114 horsepower. Again, we have a digital analog dash, no tic-tac. We have a 2-into-1 exhaust, no chrome. There's not a chrome package, only a black trim package is available on the Lowrider S. And you have LED lights all the way around. Good for visibility. Everybody's been waiting on this change for LED lights all the way around, and we got them this year. Okay, the Lowrider ST coming in at $24,199. Again, with the 117 platform high output engine pushing 114 horsepower. We have the digital analog dash attached to the handlebar clamp. The 2-into-1 exhaust with the catalytic converter in the head pipe. This comes in a chrome or a black trim package. Right now you're looking at the black trim package. You will notice at the bottom of the screen it has the Midnight Firestorm, I believe. It has the equal size saddlebags. And then we have the chrome package. You'll notice there are not as many paint options for the chrome package. I have a theory on why Harley does this or did this. I am glad to see a chrome package available on this bike, but I can also see where they're pushing you for more expense. To get a premium paint, you got to buy the blacked out package. I don't want a blackout package under any circumstances. So that's my personal feelings. We have the LED lights all the way around. It's a good looking bike. I like the chrome on this bike. The 2025 Breakout coming in at $23,099. It also has the 117 platform engine. However, it only pushes 104 horsepower. That's 10 less than the Lowrider S or the ST. However, that is 6 more than the Street Bob. So we have 3 levels of power performance coming out of this 117 engine. A digital analog gauge that is on the handlebar clamps. 2-into-2 exhaust with the catalytic converters in the muffler. Why is that important? Because you can use slip-ons and get rid of the catalytic converter, I would imagine. This is a nice looking bike. I like the chrome on this bike. I wish more of the cruisers had chrome. Just because it's a cruiser, well, I mean, it should have a chrome option. Why does the Breakout not have a blacked out version? Harley? I mean, I personally like chrome, but why does only the Breakout and the Fat Boy, with the exception of this year's Lowrider ST, have chrome on it? And by that I mean really chrome. Okay, the 2025 Fat Boy coming in at $22,599. It also has the 117 platform engine with 104 horsepower, the mid horsepower level for this engine. A digital analog gauge, but it is on the tank this time. It's staying with tradition. It's on the tank. It is no longer, well, I think it's always been on the tank, to be honest. So good for you, Harley, sticking with tradition. A 2-to-2 exhaust system with a catalytic converter in the muffler. I like the chrome on this engine. It's a great looking engine. I just don't think Harley has enough choices for its customer base, especially with what they're charging. Okay, the 2025 Heritage Classic coming in at $2,999. This bike also shares the 117 platform engine in the version pushing only 98 horsepower. It has it in common with the Street Bob, excuse me. Yellow bike kind of sets me off. The Heritage Classic has the 117. So that's it for the 2025 Harley Davidson Cruiser lineup, guys. If I gave you any information you didn't previously have, that's fantastic. And if you liked my take on the new year lineup, give me a like, subscribe, and ring the bell notification. It really helps out the channel and is so appreciated. I would love to be able to expand my reach with other people. I prefer a cruiser. I prefer chrome, as you can tell from the video. I don't care what kind of motorcycle you ride, but whatever you ride, that's fantastic. And motorcycling is all about you. It's all about what you like. And I don't care what you ride as long as you get out there and ride, guys. So keep your sword tight and get out there and ride.